We offer expert N13120 to 2009 plus A1 to 2014 testing for internal blinds, ensuring maximum safety. The N13120 to 2009 plus A1 to 2014 standard ensures internal blinds meet critical safety requirements to protect lives and property. Compliance isn't just about regulations, it's about creating safer spaces. With years of experience, CDG Inspection delivers unmatched testing expertise. Our tests ensure cord safety mechanisms meet strict safety standards. Our durability assessments simulate real-world conditions to guarantee long-lasting performance. We also evaluate thermal performance to ensure blinds meet energy efficiency standards. Material safety is paramount. We conduct extensive testing to rule out harmful substances. Our fire resistance testing provides assurance that your products meet fire safety regulations. All our testing processes are accredited and compliant with international standards. We partner with manufacturers, suppliers, and retailers worldwide. Our testing contributes to creating sustainable and innovative products. Getting started is simple. Visit our website, www.cdginspection.com, to make an inquiry. Join countless satisfied clients who trust CDG Inspection for their testing needs. CDG Inspection, your partner in quality and safety. Visit us today at www.cdginspection.com.